Meaning of disquisition.
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 Disquisition. The word disquisition refers to a formal and detailed investigation into a particular topic or issue. This can often involve a thorough examination of various sources of information in order to develop a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. Disquisitions are typically scholarly in nature and are intended to contribute to the existing body of knowledge on the topic being studied. The end result of a disquisition is usually a written work, such as an academic article or book, that presents the findings of the investigation and provides insights or recommendations based on those findings.